Future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of dreams. I was always interested in storytelling, writing creative pieces, and meaningful research. My search ended when I joined Maulana Azad National Urdu University's Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. Hello, I am Dr. Mushira Ashraf and I am currently working as an assistant professor at the School of Media Studies, Presidency University, Bangalore. I have also worked as a freelancer for different media organizations and as an outgoing communication officer at National Center for Disease Control, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. If you also want to give wings to your dreams, then register today at the CUET website and opt for UG program of Journalism and Mass Communication, MANUU.